welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. And if you want to see how I got this look right here, then just keep watching.
I'm feeling so high, low. Don't you know?
So first I'm just starting off with my Glam Glow Glitter Mask.
I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You a fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love.
Then for my eyes, I'm just going in with the shade MFEO from the Jaclyn and Morphe palette. And I'm blending this above my crease and also in my crease.
They say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know?
Then I'm taking the shade Pukey and I'm blending that in my crease as well.
I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You a fool's gold. Yes, I did.
Then I'm taking the shade Buns and I'm blending this on my outer corner and halfway into my crease.
Yes, I did.
Then I'm just going in with a big fluffy brush just to make sure everything's blended out. Then I'm taking the shade Mocha and I'm placing this on my outer corner and halfway into my crease as well. I'm packing it on first with a pencil brush just to build up the color, and then I'm going to blend it out with a fluffy brush.
I'm feeling so high, low. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's.
And then I'm just repeating the same process with this black shade called Abyss.
What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You a fool's gold. Yes, I did.
I'm also using Abyss on my lower lash line.
Yes, I did.
Then I'm just going in with my concealer to make the half cut crease on my inner lid.
Yes, I did it all for love. I guess
And I'm using my NYX glitter primer and my NYX silver hollow glitter over the top.
I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did.
Then to highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I'm going in with the shade Luna from the Aurora Glow Kit.
Yes, I did.
And I'm just curling my lashes, adding mascara and some falsies. And then I'm just peeling off my glitter mask, and then I'm going to be starting on my face makeup. For my foundation, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Light Neutral.
I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow.
I'm just taking my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and this is in the shade Fair Neutral, and I'm placing this under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, chin, and above my cupid's bow.
Gold, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did.
To set my face, I'm going in with my Neutrogena Skin Clearing Mineral Powder.
And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh. They say
And then for bronzer, I'm just going in with my Wet n Wild Contour Palette.
Don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold.
I'm taking the cream powder from the same palette, and I'm putting this under my bronzer, and also down the center of my nose. While I let the powder sit, I'm going in with my blush, and this is I Will Always Love You from Too Faced. And I'm just wiping the powder off from underneath my bronzer and on my nose. And then I'm going in with my MAC Fix Plus to set my face, and then to highlight my cheekbones and nose and cupid's bow, I'm going in with Luna from the Aurora Glow Kit. And for my lips, I'm going in with the Jouer Lip Topper in the shade Frostbite. And for my lips, I'm going in with the Jouer Lip Topper in the shade Frostbite. And for my eyes, I'm going in with the Morphe Lip Liner from the Morphe Lip Liner. And for my eyes, I'm going in with the Morphe Lip Liner from the Morphe Lip Liner. And for my lips, I'm going in with the Jouer Lip Topper in the shade Frostbite. And for my lips, I'm going in with the Jouer Lip Topper in the shade Frostbite. And for my eyes, I'm going in with the Jouer Lip Topper in the shade Frostbite. And for my lips, I'm going in with the Jouer Lip Topper in the shade Frostbite. And for my eyes, I'm going in with the Jouer Lip Topper in the shade Frostbite. And for my lips, I'm going in with the Jouer Lip Topper in the shade Frostbite. And for my eyes, I'm going in with the Jouer Lip Topper in the shade Frostbite. And for my lips, I'm going in with the Jouer Lip Topper in the shade Frostbite. And for my eyes, I'm going in with the Jouer Lip Topper in the shade Frostbite. And for my lips, I'm going in with the Jouer Lip Topper in the shade Frostbite. And for my eyes, I'm going in with the Jouer Lip Topper in the shade Frostbite. And for my lips, I'm going in with the Jouer Lip Topper in the shade Frostbite. And for my eyes, I'm going in with the Jouer Lip Topper If you're recreating this look, you could totally leave it just like this, but I wanted to amp it up a bit, so I went in with my Milk Makeup Star Stamp, and I'm just placing them in random spots across my cheek and over my nose.
Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I